Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I am going to talk to you now about day 2 of the workshop with Frank Kern on being a SaaSprenuer and how to use HighLevel and how to get started with your first few clients. But guess what? Spoiler alert, I have discovered that they have a replay option available now where you can go directly to that and get the replay. So I'm only going to just play a little bit of the intro. I'm not going to actually go into the full video because you can now do that yourself. You still need to sign up to actually get the tools that you're going to need and the full resources and the course. But you can at least watch what he's talking about and see if it interests you, and then sign up right there on the page. And I think it will, because Frank Kern is a very special, humble kind of way of presenting how to do outreach. And today's episode of the workshop, he specifically talked about how he himself is a very shy person. He doesn't like sales. He presents a way to do the client outreach in a very simple way, using the HighLevel backend tools for prospecting and just doing simple outreach to 10 customers, 10 potential clients, and just start with 10 and do maybe 10 another day and just see how it goes. And don't worry about whether the mail goes through, whether they respond and say not interested. Just send the email, wait to see what happens. That's pretty much it in a nutshell, but I'll just show you a little clip of it, and then I'll show you the website where you can watch the replays. So hopefully this works. You can see there, looks like it.
Talk about getting your first customer fast. Even if you're shy and you don't like sales, I am shy and I don't like sales. I'm literally in an empty room in a 3-bedroom empty house in complete silence. I'm like the level 5,000 grandmaster introvert and cannot stand actually selling something to another person in conversation. It just freaks me out. I don't like it. I've never liked it. In fact, the only reason I'm an online marketing person is because I was a door-to-door salesman back in the late 90s and was so bad at it and was so overcome with crippling anxiety of rejection, which I got a lot of rejection, that I did a Google search for how to sell things on the internet. And I saw an ad for an online course and I bought it, and the rest is history. So if you're shy and introverted and don't like high pressure sales and are as weird as I am, this is for you. And if you're a normal person, then you're really going to like this. So let's get into it. If I have any fellow introverts who don't like selling out there, give me a little, I don't know, whatever the sign is there, emoji, hands up emoji or something. So let's get going. Okay. Here's the thing. All right. We're going to stay in the mindset a little bit, because all this stuff is mental. I mean, at the end of the day, all we're doing is talking and typing. So it's not like the actual work is difficult. It's all here. Right. So here's the deal. Fact. If somebody has a problem and you can solve it, then it ain't that hard to get them to become a customer. All they have to do is understand that they have the problem. And we have a little secret weapon to show them, like beyond a shadow of a doubt, that they have a problem. I'll show you that.
So that's the little preview I'm going to give you. You can watch the rest of this, but you can see where he's going with this. So I'll just switch you over to ghl.buzz. Go to my webpage, ghl.buzz. You'll notice that there is a new button on the page right here, SaaSprenuer Workshop Replay. If you click on that, just make sure we've got volume on here. Yes, we do. If you click on that, it takes you to the replay page. And look at this. There's day 1. There's day 2. And if you want to access the course where you get all the resources, you need to follow through and do the sign up. Oh, it's taking me there because I actually am a HighLevel user and I'm logged in. But it'll take you to the sign up where you can get the 14-day free trial, and you do have to put your credit card information in for the free trial, just like a lot of free trials. I think you will find that you go through with it anyways, because after 14 days, you might even choose before that, like I did, to go ahead and do it, because you'll find the back end of HighLevel is amazing. The community is amazing. The support is amazing. And you get a free onboarding session with support to help you fully understand how to set everything up and how it works. So with the 14-day free trial, it gives you an agency account and 3 sub accounts. I'll just switch back over here. So yes, with the 14-day free trial, you get the agency account and 3 sub accounts, and those 3 sub accounts can be used for your first 3 clients. Or what I would suggest is you use one of those sub accounts for your own business and then 2 clients. So right away you can start making money, and it's a no-brainer. So I think you'll love it. Please check out this replay. I'm not going to do a day 3 review because I don't feel I need to do that anymore, since the replays are being posted on a public-facing website now. And you'll be able to get that and then determine whether you want to go forward and try the trial out, which I think you will. So anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Go to ghl.buzz, click on that workshop replay button, SaaSprenuer workshop replay, and we will see you on the other side. All the best. Have a great rest of your day. Like, share, subscribe, and all those things. Thanks. Bye for now.